Well, we want to bring you this. Qualcomm's board of directors unanimously rejecting Broadcom's unsolicited proposal. Qualcomm says that its board unanimously believes that Broadcom's proposal significantly undervalues Qualcomm. There's the stocks right now, and as you see, fractional moves in the pre-market on Broadcom and Qualcomm. This would have been a big deal, Kevin.
Yeah, this would have been a bigger deal, and you've seen actually Broadcom become a bigger company because there's been a lot of acquisitions in this space. But what's interesting to note here is that Qualcomm is in hand-to-hand combat right now with Apple concerning some patent litigation. Now, what this has to do with is basically how you get data and information on your phone from the wireless modem. Apple is fighting them tooth and nail because it's based off of what they get price per phone. So you're seeing Qualcomm strike deals over in Asia. You know, when President Trump was over there, they reaffirmed that they're doing deals with Chinese manufacturers, and they're willing to get it because it's the best technology. So I think Qualcomm wants to get through the Apple fight and then see where the chips lie.
I think, speaking of chips, good segue, the Internet of Things. We're all using connected devices. Forget just esports and gaming. There's such a demand for chips that are going in everything that we use, from cars to appliances. They're throughout our lives right now. So look at the movement in Intel. Look at the movement in advanced micro devices. So look at NVIDIA. So the chip area is a place to watch. It's an overheated area, in my opinion, or it's an area that's come up a lot in price, but the demand isn't going away. The fact that technology is coming into all of our lives is you're going to need chips moving forward.
I think you make a really good point. And why wouldn't Qualcomm reject this deal when they're at the peak right now of business in terms of the need and demand for chips?
Yeah, and I'm reading right now from their press release. They say no company is better positioned in mobile, Internet of Things, automotive, edge computing, and networking. Within the semiconductor industry, we're confident in our ability to create significant value for our stockholders as we continue to grow in these attractive segments and lead the transition to 5G. So that's what their CEO said. So I think that highlights the fact that they continuously reinvest. Their R&D budget is huge. They spend a significant amount of their free cash flow in that because they're reinventing and they're highlighting in the 5G sector. But getting back to Intel real quick, you had mentioned the Internet of Things, automotive. Intel bought Mobileye for a significant amount of money because they want to focus on the autonomous driving.
Yeah, and we should point out, by the way, Broadcom is the company that just announced a week ago it's taken its headquarters from Singapore back to the U.S.
Yes.
The president was touting that.